What's up everyone, this is Mototurtles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the screen resolution problem on your Windows 10 or 11 device. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is, if you've already obviously tried unplugging, plugging back in, trying different display settings, all you need to do, if those don't work, is basically type in advanced display settings until you see this pop up in your search bar, view advanced display info. It's the same for Windows 10 and 11, right? In here, choose the display, basically the monitor that's having the issue. So I'm just going to choose the one I'm recording on, which is this first one, and then you are then going to choose where it says display adapter properties for display 1, and in here then click into list all modes, and in here you want to basically try all of these, or just kind of one by one, from especially from where you are, and then go for the next one and see if this fixes it for you. This might be a little bit cumbersome because you're going to do it one by one, but again, doing this should fix your issue, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please smash it up, go ahead and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Mototurtles out, peace.